there? Huh? What are you doing there? You eating breakfast with Kuya Roy? Huh? I already gave you breakfast. Ayan. Come here. Love you. Are you gonna be behave? We're gonna go vacation. Okay? So Kuya Roy and Charles, is that okay? Are you gonna behave? Are you gonna be a good girl? Are you gonna be a good girl? Are you gonna be a good girl? Okay? Where's your mommy? Mommy went to sleep over. So, where is your mommy? Where is your mommy? Where is your mommy? Your mommy sleep over. Come here, come here, come here. You want a rub massage, don't you? Let's do a rub massage. Come on. Okay. Ayan. Oh, where are you going? Oh, tingnan mo ito. Ay, ang sarap naman ng ano. Where are you going? Hi. Hi, Cheyenne. Where are you going? Oh, go. Okay. Hi, Cheyenne. Oh, ang ganda ng pwesto niyo. Nasa ano? Oh. Oh, love it. Oh, sus. What a cutie cat. What a cutie cat are you? What a cutie cat, right? What a cutie. What a cutie. You are so beautiful. Love it. Oh. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Kiss, mommy. Kiss, mommy. Dili. Where are you? Where are you?